What's good, YouTube? You're still back on another video. Hey. How y'all doing, my Mooka Buzz? Okay, so there has been somebody in my comments, right? They must have commented this at least 75 times. Okay, wait. Oh, TD. Oh, wait, hold on. There's like bottles in the back. Hold on. Can't show that on here. Wait a minute. Can't show the liquor. No, can't show the liquor. Hold on, baby. Had to move that out the back. Y'all don't want to see that? All right. Y'all know YouTube be on some whole shit. All right, hold on. Wait. Okay, so I've seen this comment, and this girl has commented this question 85 times. And I'm like, you know what, girl? I got you. And the reason why I didn't do the video is because I didn't know how to make that video YouTube friendly. Sometimes, like, the videos that you guys suggest, I don't know how to make them YouTube friendly, so I kind of just, like, don't. Okay, wait. OOTD. Okay, wait, hold on. Okay, then. I'm going on a date, so I almost busted my shit just now. So we just got a little Thank you. Okay, wait. Hold on, wait. I gotta rattle in. Okay, so how to... I don't even know how to say it. Hold on. You know what? Wait, no. You know what? No, I'm just gonna say how to tease. Like, okay, basically, like, you know, when you're like dancing for your partner and, you know, like taking it off like that, like how to do that. So the number one thing is you have to be comfortable, right? So if you're over 21, I genuinely suggest take a shot and get a little turned. Get a little toe up. I ain't even gonna hold you, because that's gonna help loosen it. You know how like dancers and stuff, they are always toe up. They're toe up, and it's the kind of like to get your like nerves out, because at the end of the day you're performing, right? And so you're not performing for strangers, you're performing for your man, baby. You performing for your man. So like you're gonna be even more nervous. Okay, so one, take a shot, baby. Now, if you're under 21, then I don't know what to tell you, baby. You just gonna have to be a little scared. You're gonna have to be a little pop. But that's gonna make you a little bit more anxious now. I ain't gonna lie, girl. That's gonna make it work. So, take a shot, okay? Now, another thing is, right? So, when you are starting it, you could start off by like completely covering their sight, right? Because then maybe like it kind of gives you a little bit of security, baby. Like, it's like, okay, if I bust my ass on the way out and I got some heels on and my ankle give out and I die, like, he ain't gonna see it because he gonna have his eyes blindfolded, you know? So like, but because, like, you supposed to have some heels on. Like, okay, well, you don't gotta do nothing. You can do it in some flops if that's what floats your boat. But I suggest some heels. Like, you know, some, like, dancing heels. Now, if you don't know how to dance in heels, because that's another thing, baby, literally just practice. So, like, get some, right? And then, like, while they're at work, whatever, like, while you have some alone time, that's when you practice. Like, that's when you take them shoes, baby. You better put some scripper music on and getting like, girl, you better put a fucking mirror up, put some fucking stripper music, and you better go, okay? And you better GTA. You know how like the GTA you know how like the GTA dancers, they be dancing on fucking snow, like like that. That's, you gotta be a GTA dancer. Like, that's what it. Okay, but don't dance like that, cause they be stiffer than motherfucker. I ain't gonna lie. Okay, no, but. So, like, go in the mirror, you know, like, I already taught y'all how to move your hips. So, if y'all still don't understand how to move your hips, go to my, like, hip moving tutorial. Like, that is, like, really, I'm dead ass. Because, like, if you don't really know how to move your hips, it's going to kind of make it not as sexy. You feel me? Like, you can't be pop, lock, and dropping and getting crunk during a strip tease. You know, you can't do that, baby. You can't do that. I mean, you can, but he gonna be like, baby, what the fuck are you doing, bro? Like, you know what I'm saying? But you know what? Your person's your person. You should be able to pop, lock, and drop it. You should be able to get crunk. You should be able to hit that soldier boy if you want to. And you know what? As long as he attracted to you, we gonna think it's sexy anyway. Okay, so get a mirror, put some heels on, practice in the mirror. Also record yourself, because that's like a whole third party view. You know what I'm saying? It's a whole different view when you could like see how you're moving, like when you're recording, because in the mirror, like, it's kind of like hard, whatever. So now sit him down on a chair, regular chair. Don't do a chair with wheels, because you gonna get a chair with wheels and then you gonna try to back it up and then you gonna back it up and die. Like, you gonna land on your neck and shit. You don't want to do that, baby. You don't want to do that. So put him in a chair with no wheels on it, okay? And then you want to put on something like slow and sensual. You don't want to do nothing fast. Like, you can't play First Day Out by T Grizzly when you trying to give your man a dance. You feel me? I mean, you can. But again, you know what? If your man love you, we probably gonna start throwing it up. You feel me? Like throwing up signs and shit. You gonna be like, you know, babe, that's my song. Okay, no, for real. So like, maybe like, ooh, like Dance For You by Beyonce. Nice and Slow by Usher. Like, you have to do slow and sensual songs. Chris Brown is personally my favorite. Do like Sweet Love by Chris Brown. Like, you could do that. Like, something slow and sensual so you don't have to like move fast. Like, 'cause if you move fast, like whatever. So, also go to the tutorial about moving your hips and stuff like that, because that's basically going to be a key note, right? So also get him a little messed up. Get him a little toe up if you want, baby. Give him a shot, baby. Get him a little toe up so that way if you mess up, you skip a beat, like, he ain't really gonna notice because he gonna be toe up too. Like, so if you want to add a little bit of excitement, you could restrict his hands behind the chair so that way he can't touch you. And that's actually really sexy, because it's just like, he's going to be watching you and like the whole time, like, he's going to want to touch you, but he can't. So, but I'm letting you know right now, when you take him out, you probably going to get ripped into pieces. He going to, because, you know, that's 4 minutes of pent up nastiness. He just ready to just take it out on you. You feel me? So like, yeah. Now, like I said, just move your hips, just sway, like, you know, like, it's some really simple stuff. Like, I can't physically show you on here because YouTube does not like examples like that. Examples where I get up and show you anything. I mean, the move the hips thing was kind of like simple, but okay, so like, I'm going to do like simple stuff that's not going to get me like banana, but like, I'm not going to do a whole lot. So like, you know, like a regular, like, you know, like that. He'll be sitting in the chair, like, you know, like, just move slow. Move like, he'll be sitting, you know, like, you know, go walk over. He's sitting in his chair, right? Walk behind him, like, you know, like on his chest, like, you know, just accentuate. Go behind him, you know, kiss his neck, kiss his ear, and just dance. Move slow, move sensual, like, you know. You want to do a whole lot of, you know, rubbing on yourself, baby. Just don't, you touch yourself. Okay, this is your body. If anybody can touch you, it's you. Okay, so touch yourself. My voice is gone. Touch yourself and slowly, like, you know, just. And if you don't know what to do, go look at the strippers in GTA. No, I'm just playing. I'm just playing. Don't fucking do that shit. You're gonna be like, why you all stiff and shit? Like, don't do that, baby. Don't do that. But no, for real, like, just look up dancers. Just look up, you know, midnight ballerinas is what we're going to call it, because YouTube is a little sensitive. Midnight ballerinas. Look that up, okay? Like, and, like, just see how they dance. Like, specifically look up when they're dancing for somebody. And, yeah, that's it. You know, make sure you smell good. Make sure you're slow, sensual, eye contact. You know what I'm saying? And, but, yeah, that's it for today's video. I hope y'all enjoyed it. And, stay tuned. Another video is coming tomorrow. We locked in. Father's Day, you know, this past. Happy Father's Day to all the fathers out there. Happy Father's Day to the nigga that I call daddy when he in it. Happy Father's Day to him. Straight up. I love y'all so much. And I will see y'all in my next video. Peace.